Hi everyone. So guys, today I will teach you about drugs for classification in the most simplified way. So let's get started. Just have the overlook for the four main classes shown here. The mnemonics for the classes will be PEAAA. P for pharyngeal demulcents, E for expectorants, A for antitussive, that is for curved center suppressors, and double A for adjuvant antitussives. Before going further, I want you all to point out the mnemonics and write it down in your notebooks because this will really help you out in your learning. Okay, so here it is. It is divided in four classes, that is PEAAA. P for pharyngeal demulcent, E for expectorants, A for antitussives, and double A for adjuvant antitussive. We see each class drug briefly. So for P, that is pharyngeal demulcent, mnemonic for drugs will be LLSG. L for licorice, L for lozenges, S for syrups, G for glycerine. Now for second class, that is E. E for expectorant. As we have seen, it is divided into two classes, that is secretion enhancer and mucolytics. So mnemonic for class secretion enhancer will be please play GTA 5. I think boys will be knowing better about GTA 5. So P for potassium citrate, another P for potassium iodide, G for guaifenesin, T for tolubalsam, A for ammonium chloride, V for Vasaka. For mucolytics, the mnemonic drug will be CAB. C for carbocysteine, A for acetylcysteine, another A for ambroxol, and B for bromhexine. Now we will see the remaining triple A's. The first A, that is antitussive for curved center suppressant. It is divided into four classes, that is opioids, non-opioids, antihistaminics, and the last pulmonary receptor desensitizer. For opioid, mnemonic drug will be code English please. C for codeine, English E for ethyl morphine, and P for falcodine. Non-opioids mnemonic drug will be no dexter channel, N for noscapine, D for dextromethorphan, C for clofidinol. Antihistaminics. The mnemonic drug for antihistaminics will be CD please. C for chlorpheniramine, D for diphenhydramine, P for promethazine, pulmonary receptor desensitizer, prenoxidazine. We'll see the last class, that is double A's. Adjuvant antitussives. In this, we will see the only one class, that is bronchodilators, salbutamol and terbutaline. Now we will see the summary of our classification, which have been told you earlier. So it is of four main classes, that is PEAAA. P for pharyngeal demulcent, E for expectorants or mucokinetics, A for antitussive for curved center suppressant, and double A for adjuvant antitussives. So the drugs for P, that is pharyngeal demulcent, is LLSG. L for lozenges, L for licorice, S for syrups, G for glycerine. Next is E, that is expectorants. It is divided into two classes, that is secretion enhancer and mucolytics. Secretion enhancer drugs mnemonic will be please play GTA 5. P for potassium citrate, P for potassium iodide, guaifenesin, tolubalsam, ammonium chloride, and last V for Vasaka. Then mucolytics. Mucolytics mnemonic drug will be CAB, that is carbocysteine, A for acetylcysteine, A for ambroxol, and P for bromhexine. Then antitussive for cough center suppressant. It is divided into four main classes, that is opioids, non-opioids, antihistaminics, and pulmonary receptor desensitizer. Mnemonic drug for opioids will be code English please. C for codeine, E for ethylmorphine, and P for folcodine. Non-opioid mnemonic drug will be no Dexter channel, N for noscapine, D for dextromethorphan, and C for clofidinol. Antihistaminics mnemonic drug will be CD please. C for chlorpheniramine, D for diphenhydramine, and P for promethazine. Pulmonary receptor desensitizer drug will be prenoxdiazine, and the last is adjuvant antitussives, that is bronchodilators, salbutamol and terbutaline. So with this, I'll finish today's topic. If you liked my effort, then please like video and subscribe my channel and comment me for which classification you want the next video. Thank you guys.